Okay, so you want to remove these two 8mm bolts. I'm using it on a drill. I've already loosened them. Then you have two rivets here. Flathead screwdriver on the flat side. Pop it down. You don't need to take both. I'm just taking both. Underneath here, you have your oil filter and your drain plug. Should be about 17mm socket. I use a spider filter wrench on that. Grab that. Loosen. Make sure you set your pan up good. As the stream gets lower, you might want to adjust your pan. And then I'm going to take the oil filter next. So I'm using spider filter wrench. I'm just going to let that go for a bit. And I put a new washer on the drain plug. See that? Always replace that. Alright, chase it in, hand tight. Tight. Crank that up. Don't over torque it, don't under torque it, just right. Alright, now I'm going to do the oil filter. That's loose. Just like here. Put a little spot here for it. Alright. That seal got stuck up there. Always double check for that, guys. Grab a little shop rack. Just clean up your area here. Alright, that looks good. Gonna go get our new filter. Castro, W30. Fran P6607. I'm going to take that. Your seal here, guys. Fire up. A little bit of clean oil on the finger. Like that. Just right around the ring here. Just like that. Perfect. Put your filter up in your reservoir here. Put your couple threads. Then crank it. You want to go hand tight with it, okay? Hand tight. Everybody's hand tight is different. If you feel uncomfortable, you can always take Your spider filter wrench, or your wrench. The smallest little turn ever. That's it. Done. Bolt's done. You want to put back your cover plate. 2 8mm rivets. That back up, and you want to go pour your oil in the top. Cover plate here. Drag it underneath it. Make sure rivets are halfway out. In the hole. Push. Halfway out. Up into the hole. Push. Always, these 8mm, just catch a couple threads. So you don't cross thread anything or mess up any grooves. I'm using a drill, you don't have to. Alright, this is your oil cap here. If you don't, most of the times, the grade of the oil is on here. I have my funnel. Stick that in. If you know your oil specs are usually in your book. This vehicle, I think, is a 4.7, 5-liter jug. Should probably give this a wash. Next video. There. Take your cap, put it in, test it, turn it back down. Okay, so you see your service soon is still on. You want to come here to this home button here. Here, press that. Go on your screen here. You want to go to your applications. You want to go to vehicle status, maintenance, oil change, reset. This distance, 8,000 kilometers, is what the dealership recommends. I usually do it 5,000. It was a little bit over, but up to you. Change it at their kilometers, or you can change it at 5,000. Again, I was just a little bit under. And if you come over here to your odometer, it'll be gone, the maintenance wrench. And that's how you reset the oil light. That's it, guys. You're all done here. I'm gonna change your 2020 Mazda CX-9.